But you them try to steal the woman power, I see the meditation, so that causes the problem in the earth.
Today we come to talk about these pathetic men that trying to take everything that a woman's supposed to do. Watch your style, yeah. Make a
So who
bonfire.
can you confuse unless you want to confuse yourself? When you see life from a natural aspect, you can't confuse. We are look at youth and we are grow. We see the rooster jump up on the end. We see the bull cow jump up on the heifer cow and the ram goat jump up on the she goat. Where that teach we say?
Male and female.
Where that teach we? So the natural aspect of life now, you can't confuse. Anything at all that is against nature, against humanity and against the Almighty, you see that what you mean, that forget burn. Fire, then a must fire, and more fire. And it's only the fire can make the youth them realize and understand the judgment how we really are going on the earth. Because when we come burn it now, the youth them go check it and wonder, say, oh, them man are burn them things as daily. And then go find out, say, them things defile the forces of nature. You see it, man, I try to take away all the woman, them power, man, I go change them sex. Man, turn out transvestite, transsexual and all them things. You see the meditation? So them things that cause the corruption in the earth. You see it? Man, steal the woman, them power. You see it? Because them teach about God and them not tell me nothing about the goddess. So we say God now have no woman, he not bring forth youth in the earth. Where God Empress, the God Empress have to be the goddess of the earth, you know. Because them teach we have lion and lioness and prophet and prophetess and priestess and priestesses and the whole works. You see the meditation? So if we teach we have God, then teach we have the goddess there, you see it? But through them try to steal the woman power, you see the meditation, so that causes the problem in the earth. So anything with the fire that are more fire, you see it? Then even at the garden, even though we burn certain things, but them tell about Adam and Eve in the garden, to a man and a woman. So that that's everything go, you see it? So anything we go against that our judgment, you see it?
I hope that fire was loud enough. Now we come to talk about these pathetic men that want to bring everything overseas, America, Pacific, and those places to Jamaica. They want to be rappers. They are inspired by rappers, by design nonsense. I don't have to tell these losers, it's not everything we don't have to bring to Jamaica, bro. We have a different culture, okay? Different culture. So, certain things just leave America and do it America. I don't know what I put on an event talking about when bring in fashion to Jamaica. It's pathetic nonsense. And look stupid. And look like a flying fish. Okay? Here's the thing. Triple X, I put him in at the right side of my screen because this guy is a certified loser. Alright? This guy is a certified loser. And I'm not making this up. I have a clip that me I go run. Okay? And this guy, he speak about Walmart about 100 times. He buy his fit from Walmart. He probably said, what you mean him buy a fit from Walmart? There's nothing wrong with Walmart. Man, I say anything wrong. But this guy is a certified bandit when it come on Walmart. Remember, he steals from Walmart more than any other human being alive. If you don't believe me, ask God, the internet, you have the phone in your hand. Google that shit. Triple X is a certified bandit. When it come from Walmart, he love Walmart. So his whole fit, it looks like he got from Walmart. And I'm not making this stuff up, okay? Whole fit he got from Walmart. It has to be studied. Believe me. This guy say he's Mr. Walmart because he thief from Walmart. He's a criminal. Criminal element. Him going to Walmart and take them things. Get locked up. What are we talking about here? And this guy, he's so obsessed with Walmart. Why is Triple X, right, is so obsessed with Walmart? I have no idea why this guy is so obsessed with Walmart. Believe me. This guy is a literally bandit. And you probably say, why am I come for Triple X? I come for Triple X because he act like he have no shame. He act like he can do whatever and him not care what people say. Right? That's what he do. We go and interview and he says stupid shit. Alright? This guy have no good reputation. Alright? His reputation in life is sour. So, for this guy is bringing purse all over Jamaica, say this is fashion. For young kids that's growing up, I can see this stupidity. That's not our culture. For start wear purses to school. Who knows? Triple X, I'm really hot for this guy because he's pathetic, not because he's a thief, right? I guess a lot of people are thieves, okay? They thief things once in a while, right? I wouldn't say that's okay, but it happens. This guy, Triple X, is not an example for the human race. Triple X are pathetic. He's a loser. Triple X is going to go down as the loser of the season when it comes on Millennium and Gen Z. This guy is a certified loser. Triple X are the worst of us. Triple X need to show me his birth paper because he's a loser. I can't believe this guy only speak part. I don't believe this guy is Jamaican. Triple X did not born in Jamaica. This guy is a certified loser. And then you have these other reggae boy or whatsoever, footballer, him with the whole bunch of losers. We're talking about certified losers, people. Certified losers, all right? Trying to corrupt the youth's brain with all of this stupid fashion where them get from America. All right? They're trying to live like a rock star, rapper, whatsoever. These people are pathetic. Believe me, these people are pathetic. And I'm not making this up. If you look at the history regarding Triple X, it's a terrible resume. Why is this guy an interview? Why people put Triple X on podcasts to talk, to speak on what? To speak on what's going on. Why people take Triple X clips, right, and say this is inspiring. People can look at Triple X and say this guy is inspiring to the human race. Eh? It has to be studied. There is no way Triple X is a sensible guy. People, purses all over Jamaica. These guys are a certified losers. And if these guys don't stop, them are gonna deal with them indefinitely. People, excuse me. I'm out.
No matter how you alone, you have to smell good because sometimes I look better. So let's watch TV right now with a TC party. I'm there so with a fashion youth, a top selector youth. You understand? The youth who are kicked to Jamaica when it comes to fashion and music. What name? Triple X, you know? Yeah man, Triple X. Everybody know me already, Triple X. Yeah. AKA, AKA Mr. Black, Mr. Brown, you understand me? I say AKA Mr. Crableg, AKA Mr. Walmart, AKA Mr. Always Type, ever right. I love the fit, bro, I love the fit. You see me? Why you tell me how you start from the shows, come up. Alright, for the shows, Mr. Young man, name of the youth, Nigeria, straight from Nigeria. You understand? Can I myself foot big in a size 15 over here? It's for the custom. So straight from Nigeria. You understand me? I said the pants are from Target. You remember the name, but the clearance we get the pants from. So we get the pants for $7. Material look soft, so you know, bad man. Bad is the clearance we get it from the Target. The belt, straight out of Walmart. You understand me? I said cheap and clean. You see the shirt? The shirt we have on right there, so from out of Target to him, good fellow. You understand? We say a tongue a town, a little kerchief a ton, a Oscar. You understand me? I said when a wife ring them, we say some start out like that. See? Wife ring look big though. Not tell a man, that's it. You don't know, say the Louis V at, you understand me? I say from Fox's House of Luxuries. You understand? Glasses from Fox's House of Luxuries. Bag, fully booked classic, Louis V. Rolex for hand. And you know, say even though we have a cheap, we have to buy something with a little piece of change. You understand me? Right. And we can't go everything cheap. That is it. Alright. What I say are the most important part of your outfit? Bearding. Yeah, bearding. You have to bearding. Smell good. No matter how you look, you have to smell good. Because sometimes you look good and frowns, you know. And that mash it up, you know. And you have to have a good bubble gum in your mouth. You have to have a bubble gum in your mouth. If you don't chew bubble gum, you have to chew one of the chews. Yeah, so when I fit from Walmart fit. But the man bill under $50. I say, bombard. This too bad, you understand? We have tried. We also have some things, because we go in the shop and you buy pieces. You just buy what is trending and running a style. You buy some pieces and you put the thing them together to fit your body and to fit your aesthetic and them things. And for your final aesthetic, you're good.
A purse them step out a defend them purse.
Alright, Nisha, what is this?
Yours.
What is this?
Just by looking at you, me expect you to put on anything. Like man we bore them nose on certain things, me no hold you to no standard. Your woman no see the nose ring in your nose. First of all, I'm not even gonna deal with you. You see, you Batty boy! Could I eat that? To prove your point, you have to go for money. For sure, we say I'm money in your purse. When me go know the best thing possibly yet, me go know a gun. and you go show money, that have to show you say man like you no get no girl unless them show them money. Not a sense.
As a Jamaican, I have to chime in on this one. Jamaican people want to come over here because you don't understand what this woman talk about. Because Jamaican man known worldwide for our flamboyance, but our ability to be flamboyant, meanwhile still maintaining our masculinity.
So you're a batty man too? How did you know that? Who told you my business?
Jamaican man known worldwide for our flamboyance.
Flamboyant, weird when me never know say desert clocks cut off foot pants and mesh marina flamboyant. It's no in between. You can't be flamboyant and be masculine at the same time. That just no work. Nothing no go so, brother. It's either you're one man or you go to the next side.
What's up, you motherfucking boy?
Could I hear that?
You see me? The clothes, man. Yeah, fuck clothes.
Yeah.
Fuck fashion.
Me would have never in my lifetime say me fuck clothes as much as me love it.
Batty boy!
Coat bag. Where Jamaican a bash right now. What you think about it?
Yeah, man, I need this thing, man.
I feel back to do style back.
As a man, what make you feel comfortable if you even can wear a bag like this and walk around with your bag? So, as a man,